Nandito sa kamay natin guys ang pinakabagong cellphone ng Realme guys, ang Realme Note 60X. So tara, samahan nyo ako, unbox natin siya. Let's go! So ito yung box niya, actually form factor niya, let's say compared kay C61 guys, mas manipis na yung box niya. So ibig sabihin, mas efficient na siya at mas less na yung friction niya when it comes to nature. Of course, pag bukas mo make it real, meron siyang kasamang jelly case na transparent. Medyo malaki yung camera bump niya, no? Of course, meron siyang kasamang cable. Unfortunately, wala na po siyang adapter, case, wire, and the phone itself. And this is the phone. This is the Realme Note 60X for the first time ever. Tingnan ko yung design. Yes, it looks nice. This time naman guys, yung parang ginaya naman nila yung iPhone 16 regular series. So as far as I know, yung specs na ito guys is level up version from the Realme Note 50, but yung price din po niya is nagmahal siya ng onte because of those upgrades. And I can say it's still gonna be worth it because babagsak presyo natin to this coming 12 to exactly 6 PM sa live ko. But again, if you want the Realme Note 60X guys, kung ako sa'yo, mag-register ka na dyan sa live and dyan sa mobile, make sure nakafollow ka sa akin. Nakita ka this coming 12 to exactly 6 PM. Meron tayong